Welcome to all. Today's topic is triangle law of vector addition. What is this law? Triangle law of vector addition. Okay, for the statement, this law states that if two vectors are represented by the two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then the resultant means the addition of vector, the resultant represents the third sides of the triangle taken in opposite order. Clear? So, if two vectors are represented by the two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then the resultant represents the third side of that triangle taken in opposite order. That means this triangle law is used for addition of two vectors. So, there are two vectors. This is one vector A, this is another vector B, directions are different. This is the A, this is the B. We add these two vectors like this. This is one vector, suppose this is vector A, this is the vector B in same order. This is the vector A and this is the vector B. According to this law, the third side represents the resultant vector. Okay, that means R is equal to A plus B. This is OPQ. So, in the OPQ triangle, OP is a vector, that is A, PQ is another vector, that is B, OQ is the R. So, now we can find out the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Clear? So, what is the magnitude of R? We can find out by the analytical method. O, P, Q. This is vector A, this is vector B, this is the R. Okay. So, what is the angle between two vectors? This is the angle between these two vectors. This angle is theta. This angle is beta. Okay. So, that means OP is your A vector, PQ is your B vector, OQ is your R vector. Let A and B two given vectors. Theta is the angle between them. are resultant of A and B. Beta is the angle between A vector and R vector. Then draw a perpendicular from Q to OP produced, that is QT. Draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular from Q to OP, that is QT. Okay, QT. Clear? So now OQT is a triangle, right angle triangles. We can find out OQ. So in the triangle OQT, OQ square is equal to OT square plus QT square. Okay, OT square means OP plus PT, OP plus PT. So OP plus PT the whole square, then QT square. Okay, OP plus PT, A plus B whole square, that is equal to OP square plus PT square plus 2OP into PT plus QT square, plus QT square. Now in the triangle PQT, in the triangle PQT, in the triangle PQT, in this triangle, this is also one right angle triangles. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. In this triangle, sin theta is equal to QT by PQ. QT by PQ. So what is your QT? PQ sin theta. This implies QT is equal to PQ sin theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to PT by PQ. PT by PQ. So then what is your PT? PQ cos theta. Now put this in this equation. So that is equal to OP square plus PT square plus QT square plus 2OP into PT. So this implies PT square plus QT square is equal to PQ square. PT is equal to PQ cos theta. So OP square plus PT square plus QT square, that is equal to PQ square plus 2OP into PT. PT is the PQ cos theta. PQ cos theta. So this implies OQ is your R, is only magnitudes, simply R square. PQ is A square, that is B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this implies R is the square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This gives the magnitude of R, resultant. R is the resultant, that is square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay. Now direction. For direction of the resultant, we find out the angle beta. Okay. So angle beta in this triangle OQ, in the triangle OQT. OQT, tan beta is equal to QT by OT, QT by OT. So this implies tan beta is equal to QT, QT is equal to PQ sin theta, PQ sin theta, OT, OP plus PT, OP plus PT. So that is equal to PQ sin theta by OP plus what is PT? PQ cos theta. Okay. So that means what is PQ? PQ is the B, OP is the A. So that means tan beta is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Tan beta is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So this implies beta is equal to tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This gives the direction of resultant. Clear? So magnitude of R is equal to root over of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, and direction that beta is equal to tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. That's all. Thank you.